Have you heard some epoxy tables sell for just few $100s, while others go for thousands? Before deciding on a price, you need to calculate the actual costs of making an epoxy table. Many beginners focus only on material costs, but there is a lot more to consider. Materials are one of the biggest expenses. The cost of live air slabs, epoxy resin, pigment and finishes can vary widely. A small coffee table might require around $200 in wood and $150 in resin, while a large dining table could cost over $1,500 in materials alone. But materials are just the starting point. Your time is another crucial factor. Even if you are making the tables yourself, you need to account for labor. If it takes 20 hours to complete a table and you value your time at $30 per hour, that is $600 in labor costs. Many furniture makers underestimate the value of their time, which leads to underpricing their work. Other costs include tools, workshop expenses, and overhead. Sanding equipment, saw blades, mixing containers, and clamps all add up over time. If you are renting workshop space or paying for electricity and ventilation, these costs should be factored into the price as well. Anchoring is another key pricing strategy. If a customer sees a $6,000 table first and then a $4,000 table, the second one feels like a bargain. This is why high-end furniture stores display their most expensive items prominently. It makes everything else seem more affordable by comparison. Different pricing models can be used to determine the best selling price for an epoxy table. 1. Cost plus pricing. This is the simplest method. Add up material costs, labor and overhead, then apply a markup percentage to ensure profits. If an epoxy river table costs $1,000 to produce and you apply a 100% markup, the selling price would be $2,000. This approach ensures all expenses are covered while guaranteeing a profit. Two, market-based pricing. This method involves researching similar epoxy tables to see what buyers are willing to pay. If high-end epoxy tables in your area or online marketplaces sell for $4,500, pricing yours at $4,200 might attract customers looking for a premium piece at a slightly lower price. Three, value-based pricing. Instead of just covering costs, this approach focuses on what the buyer perceives as valuable. If a table has custom resin work, rare wood, or is part of a limited series, its price can be significantly higher. Buyers who see it as a one-of-a-kind piece are often willing to pay more. Four, premium pricing. Some epoxy table makers price their work higher to create an exclusive luxury brand. This strategy works well for custom high-end designs that cater to affluent buyers. It also sets a standard that justifies higher prices in the future. Understanding market trends is essential when setting prices. Some styles like deep blue ocean tables or sleek black epoxy river tables may be in high demand, allowing for premium prices. Seasonal trends also impact pricing. During the holiday season, Customers often look for unique handcrafted gifts, which can drive up demand. Similarly, wedding season creates a surge in demand for custom tables as gifts or statement pieces for new homes. If a table isn't selling, minor price adjustment can make a difference. Dropping a $3,200 table to $2,900 might push hesitant buyers to commit without significantly cutting into profit margins. Limited time discounts or promotional bundles, such as free delivery, can also boost sales. Custom epoxy tables often sell for more because they allow buyers to feel personally connected to their purchase. Instead of offering standard designs, sellers can charge higher prices for custom resin colors, wood choices, and engraved details. Offering personalized design consultation also add value. Buyers appreciate the ability to influence the final product, and many are willing to pay a premium for a one-of-a-kind table that reflects their style. The way an epoxy table is presented affects how much buyers are willing to pay. A well-staged product with high-quality images and engaging descriptions can command higher prices. Professional photography is crucial. Buyers judge products based on visuals, and poor quality photos can make even the best tables look cheap. High-resolution images, lifestyle shots, and close-ups of intricate resin details all enhance perceived value. One of the biggest mistakes epoxy table makers make is undervaluing their work. Many believe that lower prices will attract more buyers, but underpricing often leads to unsustainable profit and burnout. Ignoring hidden costs is another common pitfall. Shipping, transaction fees, and customer service time all impact profitability. If these aren't factored into pricing, margins can shrink quickly. Another mistake is failing to increase prices as skills improve. As craftsmanship and reputation grow, pricing should reflect the increased demand and quality of work. Regularly reviewing and adjusting prices ensures profitability keeps pace with skill level. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.